Good morning, students. Today we are going to study class 5th EVS chapter 15 blow hot and blow cold. Let me read the book. Oh, I am not able to see clearly. Do you know my spectacles are not clear? Now I am going to clean it. See how? The air blown from the mouth is hot and the glasses of the spectacles are cold. Okay? So it is cold as compared to the air from the mouth. So as I blow on these spectacles, the air that contains the water vapor, and when it sticks to the glasses, it changes into water droplets and we are easily able to clean it. Now I am able to see clearly. In this lesson, you will learn about air. Before starting the chapter, let us see few activities related to air. Use of air in the process of heating and cooling.
Mama,
Oh, what happened, beta?
Mama, my eyes, my eyes are so paining.
Oh, don't cry. Don't cry, baby, beta. Don't cry. I will blow air on the hanky and it will heal you. How are you feeling now?
Nice, Mama.
One more time. Okay, now you're feeling good?
Yes, Mama.
Now you can go and play. Okay, beta? Take care.
Mama, it's too cold. I can't able to write.
Beta, put your hands like this and blow in your hand. Now it is feeling hot now.
Yes, Mama, it's okay. Now I can write.
Good, beta.
Mama, it's too hot. What I can do?
Beta, just blow in this milk. It will become cold and you are able to drink. Blow it. Yes.
Yes, Mama, it's now cold.
And now I will tell how to make whistle. The property of air. Are you ready?
Yes, Mama.
So let us have one paper for that. So for making a whistle, we have to take a piece of paper. Okay. And now fold the paper into two half. I have taken any rough paper. Okay. Now we have folded in half. Now tear it from the center. Take the center portion and tear it. Okay. Now from the both sides, fold the paper. I have folded this and then from this side and from this side. Okay, upward direction we will fold, and now you can have the fingers like this and you can blow. So this way you can make the whistle from the paper, or other many things are there from which you can make the whistle. You have a pen cap and you can also use balloon and leaves to blow the whistle. Okay, beta?
We in hot also we do and cold also we blow.
Yes, with the air have the property that we can warm the things also and cool the things also. Okay, beta, do you understand this?
Yes, Mama.
When we blow air on cool things, the air from the mouth is comparatively hot and it transfers the heat to the cold things. Similarly, for a hot thing, the air from the mouth is comparatively less hot and so helps in making the things cold. Now, other activities related to air are for whistling, for removing dirt, to blow on and to blow off the fire, for blowing balloons, playing musical instruments like flute, bean, Shehnai, almost all are made of woods and they have holes due to which we able to listen the melodious songs. A doctor uses stethoscope to hear the heartbeat sounds that comes from our heart. A heart is an organ of our body that lies in the left side of the chest and beats continuously. So, thank you students. Take care and see lot of uses of air around you and feel the freshness of the air. Thank you students. Take care. Bye.